Hi, I'm Shyam.
Hi, I'm Jay.
Welcome to our channel.
Two men and a kitchen.
Check it out, we're actually outside the Prime Residency's Aqua apartment complex. Amazing stuff. I've been told really good stories about this. The apartments are 2-bedroom and 3-bedroom. And you know what? They've actually allowed us to come in there and do the cooking today. So today I'm going to talk about how to make an easy prawn curry, aka the Isso curry. I actually like to make my shrimp clean. I like to take the shell off because it's easier to cook that way and the flavors stick in. Quick fix ones that you do is you put a little bit of salt, very little. And then you take perhaps, in this case, some good pepper, about half a teaspoon in this case. And then you take some chili powder. Now, I like my prawn curry a bit red and I like it to be nice and spicy. So I put almost 1.5 to 2 teaspoons of chili powder, or in this case, a soup spoon. I like this spoon, it's actually easy to hold and do everything. Once you're done with that, you just mix it up, bada bim, bada boo, quickly. And then I like my shrimp or my prawn curry to be very citrusy, but I don't like to put a lot of lime. Instead, what I do is I add tomato because it's quite easy to cook and it also tenderizes the meat and it helps it soften. Once we're done with this, now I like to put my garlic, so I just crush the garlic a little bit, give it a bit of a flavor in there as well. So the more you crush it, the better juicier it gets. Onions plays a very vital part in my cooking. So I load it up with a few stripped onions and I mix it up. This over here is lemongrass. Add a little bit. It gives you a bit of a sweetness that's very important to your shrimp curry. Now we let it set here and then in about 5 minutes we're going to go back to cook it.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our channel and click and ring that notification bell to get the latest from Two Men and a Kitchen.
What we've done now is we've taken the prawn and we've kept it on the stove, obviously in a little bit of coconut oil. So that's simmering in, not for too long, just a quick little dash here and there just to make sure everything goes well for it. Not for long though, just for a minute. And then we need to add some water. Right, so we've added the water, we've let it cook a little bit and I'm just going to stir it up a little bit just to make sure everything is okay and dissolved. I'm going to add a little bit of coconut cream just to ease things off. There you go. Not a lot, just a little bit. Right, so that's 10 minutes and we're done with our prawn curry. Looking good and it's nicely simmered in and you can also see that the coconut cream has done its thing as well. The shrimp, and we're done. Now it's time to serve. We're also available on Facebook at Two Men and a Kitchen, right over here. So just like, share and subscribe.
Hey, don't forget Instagram, it's also here.
Instagram too, Two Men and a Kitchen. See you soon.